They're all the same species in general, but they're different ecotypes, which means that they've kind of evolved different behaviors to take advantage of the environment to the best of their ability, not to compete with others of a similar sort of whale. So the residents in general tend to be fish-eating killer whales, very social. We call them residents, but they're actually not that resident. They travel.
They don't stay in those areas.
For
okay.
a big chunk of the year, they travel through California into Monterey Bay, up and down the coast. But they are definitely around here, certainly through the spring and summer. So it's generally fish eaters. And then we divide those further into northern and southern. And that's a sort of population-based designation. They don't really mix. They kind of come into contact with each other, but they don't really mix that much. And then we've got these transient whales, or the big whales. And those are those kind of, the reason they call them killer whales, right? The big, dramatic kind of marine mammal eating, porpoise and harbor seal and sea lion, sometimes even a sea otter eating, group hunting, big, slightly bigger, more robust killer whales. And we've got another ecotype just offshore. We call them the offshore killer whales, which are mostly like shark eaters. They eat elasmobranch sharks and skates, and so they're a whole different type of ecotype.